Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a mouth-watering donut topped with creamy ice cream. It's going to be a fun and easy tutorial suitable for artists of all levels. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Start by drawing a large circle for the base of the donut and another smaller circle inside to create the donut's hole. Draw squiggly lines round the larger size to give texture to the donut. Next, draw a wavy line on top of the donut for the icing. Add some sprinkles on top of the icing using small dots or shapes. Now, let's draw the ice cream scoop on top of the donut. Draw a big oval shape above the donut for the ice cream. Add some wavy lines on top of the oval to make it look creamy. Draw a cherry on top of the ice cream using a small circle and a stem. Now, let's add some details to make our drawing more realistic. Shade the bottom part of the donut to give it depth and dimension. Add shading to the ice cream scoop to make it look soft and creamy. Use light strokes to blend the shading and create a smooth texture. Add highlights to the icing and cherry to make them look shiny. Don't forget to add shadows underneath the donut and ice cream to ground them. Now that we have finished the drawing, let's add some color. Use light brown for the donut, pink for the icing and brown for the chocolate drizzle. For the ice cream, you can use any color you like. Maybe mint green or strawberry pink. Add different colors for the sprinkles to make them look vibrant. Thanks for watching this video.